So yo, what's up guys, this side is Vishal. I'm owner of Team Gallant, and in this video we'll talk about how to make a colorful note like this note. You can see there's a colorful note, and how you can make out this note like a colorful note. So firstly you have to go on your note section. Then you have to select any song what you want to show on your note. I've searched a song that I wanna on my note. Like this, you have to select a song. Then whatever you want to write, you can write there. Then you have to hold down on your note like this. When you hold on your note, then you can see there are options of colors. Then you will click on there. Then your note will be colorful like this. There are many colors. You can make your note colorful like this. You can select anyone. I have selected this color. Then I will apply. Then I will share. You can see I have make my note colorful. That's really looking amazing. I think you can also make your colorful note like this. If you are having any problem facing, then you comment down what you are facing any problem. Then make sure subscribe our Team Gallant channel. Thanks and bye bye for watching. Love you all.
I took the handle, then I saw it all.